All right, guys. One of the last little chili bits that we have to do. We wanted to keep this indicator on the end because everybody that's seen it has kind of thought that was pretty cool. We're having a trouble with it turning the blinker on. I had one guy say maybe it's the switch, and maybe it is. But we ordered these. We got them. They came in similar to those, maybe just slightly different. It's kind of funny how that works with Amazon, but at any rate, I'm going to take the headlight bucket back off. We're going to set these up just so that they're coming on with the indicator. Then we're going to hook these into the turn signal relay. So we're going to get going with that right now. Here we go. See both.
Can't we see it down the garage? You can see that.
All right, well, that went actually pretty well. I'm gonna thank Chase for helping me out there with that video. Some of the footage might have been a bit on the shake, but it's some close-up shots, and he didn't exactly know what I wanted him to shoot, so I can't fault him for that. But hopefully this view, I'll try to hold it, turn the key on. So we got a headlight. We got that indicator that Chase really likes. And then turn to the right. turn to the left. Now, that looks really, really good. I think that's going to be great. I think at night or in the daylight when we're out driving around, that should appear really well. The other thing that I did off camera was we got the tail light set up, and there you can kind of see it on. I've just sprayed this, so I'm not going to put that back in just yet. It's a super humid again today. Sprayed that about an hour ago, but I bet you it's still tacky. So we'll just look at it here. We'll just kind of pretend that it will set there. Sure. We'll just pretend that that's where it would be mounted. So there's a just regular brake light. Hold on. I'm gonna set this up on a stand. One sec. All right. So it's got just regular daylight. It's got brake light. Right turn, left turn, and eventually when we get the license plate in, you'll see that it all has a license plate. So we're in good shape. Let's just see if it still starts. I think it's good. All right, guys, so that's gonna wrap up this video with putting up the turn signals. That's really getting close to wrapping up the bike. The next video that we're going to come out with, I think, is putting it all together and maybe even hitting the road. So stay tuned for that. I really appreciate you guys watching. If you like what you see, give us a like, give us go ahead and subscribe. That would be great, and catch you guys on the next time. Looking good.
Okay.